In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to your Shopify store using the Buy Button Sales channel. This tool allows you to create customizable buttons that directly link to your product checkout, making it easier for customers to purchase your products. These buttons can be embedded not only on your Shopify pages, but also on various other platforms like websites or blogs, helping to drive more sales to your store effortlessly. Let's start by diving into the first step, which involves installing the Buy Button Sales channel. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Settings, then select Apps and Sales Channels. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Shopify App Store. Click on it to open up the expansive app marketplace. What you want to do next is type Buy Button into the search bar. You'll find a free app created by Shopify specifically for this purpose. Go ahead and install it. After you've successfully installed the app, you'll notice that the Buy Button Sales channel is now available in your admin. Now that we have the channel set up, let's create a Buy Button. Start by opening the Buy Button Sales channel within your admin panel. You'll see an option to create a Buy Button. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose whether you want to create a button for a specific product or an entire collection. Select whichever suits your needs best. After making your choice, you'll then be presented with customization options for your button. Here, you can adjust the layout and determine what action occurs when your customer clicks the button. Additionally, you're given options to customize the button's text, color, and other styling features. It's important to personalize your button to fit the aesthetic of your brand while being user-friendly. Finally, decide if you want the checkout page to open in a new window or remain in the same tab. Once you're happy with the design, you'll notice that a code is generated for your newly created button. Carefully copy this code. You're now ready to embed this button. Head over to the HTML editor of the page where you'd like to display your button. This could be a Shopify page, an external website, or a blog you operate. Paste the copied code into the HTML section at the point where you want the button to appear. Don't forget to save your changes to make sure the button is live on your site. Lastly, if you want to add buttons directly through the Shopify theme editor, you'll need to go to Online Store. Then select Themes in your Shopify admin. Choose the theme you want to customize and click Customize. Using the sidebar, select the section you'd like to add the button to, then hit the plus button to introduce a new element within that section. From the list of options, choose Button. Here again, take a moment to customize the button's text, link, and look to ensure it aligns with your design preferences. Now, with everything in place, your Shopify store is enriched with functional, customized buttons designed to enhance the shopping experience for your customers.